Peace, family. This is Essie here. SEK the Homesteader here, you guys, with an unboxing. All right, family, just bear with me right now. Just bear with me right now, family. I'm doing so many things right now. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? All righty then. Okay, let's see here. And you guys, I've been meaning to do a video to help our family out. And I know that everybody is on a mission right now as far as canning. And look what we have here. And I want to encourage everyone to get on Uniline, which I use Uniline or Uline to get a lot of my janitorial goods for the salon. And I had one in the house, a catalog, and I was just browsing through it because one of my friends came to yay, lids, you guys. One of my friends came to get some watermelon, and she mentioned the Uline to me, and I was like, you know something? I usually order my janitorial stuff for the salon from Uline. Yes, you guys. Y'all see that? Rings. Yes. Okay, so these are the canning lids and the bands. So I got 2 of those. And I got some more of these. The lids. More lids. More lids. And more lids. Okay, so these are actually, I believe this is the regular size. I've been using mostly the regular size on the lids. I do have a few, what they call it, big mouths. I have a few of those. Let me get my what's the name over here. All right, let's see what we got, you guys. Just bear with me. Oh, wow. You know how you order stuff and then you forget that you ordered stuff? Okay, so I think this is partial. This is a partial of, yes, this is a partial of my order. So let me come over here so that you guys can see my order here. And that is a partial, okay? So let's get back over here. See what we got over here. So we have, okay, we have the 32 ounce over here. And then, let's see. Move this one over here to get to this other side. See, I think I can do it. You guys, bear with me. Okay, so hold on, family. Okay, so on this side we have, this is, what is this? This is the pint size. Okay. So, how many is in here? 12. Yeah, 12. So we have a 12 pack of the pint size and a 12 pack of the quart size. So now I really got my work cut out because this is partial of my order. Is it? Hold on, you guys. Okay. Oh, I know what it is, you guys. Let's see. 12, 12, 12. Yeah, 24, 12 count canning. Let's see here. One bag, one bag. Okay. So yeah, this is actually partial. What's that? 4. Oh wow. Okay, so yeah, this is a partial of my order. So probably the other order is the other part of the order should be coming. So again, right now I have a case of a 12 pack of 32 and a 12 pack of pints. So I actually got, that's what I did, you guys. I got more lids and bands because I knew I would be needing more lids because you have to change your lids. So you can reuse your jars, but most people recommend that you change your lids. Okay? So I have more lids than rings. Okay, family? So make sure that you guys go online and place your order and get your lids, your bands, and some jars. Right now, they still have them, and I'm probably gonna do another order, but y'all know how we do. Where there's a will, there's a way. They want to put you on a limit, but there's always a way to get around that limit. Y'all know I'm a crazy couponer, so I will figure out a way to get around that limit. Limit. All right, family, so get over to Uline. And also, I know a lot of people is hunting for those canners, and a lot of the canners is on back order. But I also wanted to share some information that's already being shared out there. You guys definitely need to get to Lehman's. They are accepting back orders now, and pressure canner. The pressure canner outlet is accepting back orders as well as All American canner. So if you have some patience, make sure you go over there to one of those sites and place your order for your pressure canner. I believe Lehman's is saying 2 to 6 weeks. First come, first serve. So there's hope out there, you guys. We just have to be patient, okay? So yeah, get on over to Uline and place your order and just work your magic. Where there's a will, there's a way. They have us on a limit, but you use your brains, you can get around that limit. Okay, you guys, so this is SEK. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy canning. Peace.